In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert an MOV to an MP4 for free using Handbrake. This straightforward process will only take about 5 minutes, and by the end, you'll have your file ready in a more universally compatible format. So let's dive into it. First, you'll need to download and install the Handbrake application if you haven't already. Handbrake is a versatile open source video transcoder available at handbrake.fr. Navigate to their website and choose the version that matches your operating system. Once downloaded, follow the installation instructions provided to get Handbrake up and running on your computer. Having Handbrake installed ensures you're equipped with a reliable tool for all your video conversion needs. Alright, let's launch the Handbrake application. Once you've successfully opened it, you'll notice its user-friendly interface. The layout is designed to make the process intuitive, even for first-time users. Now that you have Handbrake open, the next step is to load your MOV file. Click on Open Source found on the top left of the screen. This will open a File Explorer window where you can navigate to the location of your MOV file. Select the file you want to convert, and Handbrake will start analyzing it. This may take a moment depending on the file size, but patience is key. Now we move to the Summary tab, which is crucial for configuring the output format. Here you'll find various options under the Format drop-down menu. This brings us to our main task, converting the file to an MP4 format. From the drop-down, simply select the MP4 option. MP4 is widely accepted across many platforms and devices, making it an ideal choice for most users. Next, it's time to choose where you want to save your newly converted file. Click on the Browse button located next to the Save As field. This will allow you to specify the destination folder for your MP4 file. Pick a location that you'll easily remember, perhaps a dedicated video folder for conversions, and give your file a clear, concise name. This ensures you can locate it with ease once the conversion completes. With these settings in place, we're ready to begin the conversion process. Click on the Start Encode button located at the top of the interface. This will initiate the conversion, and you can monitor the progress via the progress bar. Depending on the file size and your computer's performance, this might take a few moments to complete. Once the conversion is done, you'll receive a notification, and your new MP4 file will be saved to your chosen destination. You've now successfully converted your MOV file to MP4, and it's ready to be shared or further edited as needed. Thanks for watching, and happy converting.